Winter vacation has started, school is out, and every 2 minutes I hear,
Mama, I'm hungry.
Okay, let's get baking. We love these chocolate chip coconut cookies. They need very few special ingredients and come together so quickly and are delicious. Soft from the inside, crispy from the outside, just altogether beautiful. First off, we're gonna start by mixing all our dry ingredients together, the flour, the pudding mix, salt, baking soda and baking powder. I've used vanilla flavored pudding mix here. You can use white chocolate, butterscotch. It just amps up the cookie taste. I'm also going to use my stand mixer here to whip up my butter. I will use the paddle attachment here. Now the butter is already softened, but we're going to use this paddle attachment to whip it up before adding both the brown and the white sugar all at once. And then we're going to cream the entire butter and the sugar mixture to a very light texture. This should take on a high speed about 30 to 40 seconds. I'm going to take a micro break and scrape the sides of the bowl so that everything is thoroughly mixed in. And then I'm going to add in the eggs one by one. Once the eggs are just barely mixed in, we put in the vanilla and then start adding in the flour mixture one ladle at a time. Make sure to keep scraping the sides of the bowl. Once all the flour is added in, we're gonna give a quick whisk for about 30 seconds or so on high speed and then remove the bowl from the stand mixer. Now would be a good time to preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees C. Now for the last part, I'm going to add the chocolate chips and the sweetened coconut shreds by hand. I find that using the stand mixer to mix the chocolate chips makes the cookies tough to bite and also the chocolate chips break in the process. It is actually preferred to not freeze this dough before it goes in the oven for this recipe, which makes my life so much easier. I'm going to use a 1 tablespoon size of cookie scoop here for about 40 to 45 cookies with these ingredients. Into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes and there they are. Delicious chocolate chip coconut cookies. Enjoy!
Don't forget to like and subscribe and download our app from the App Store or Google Play.